dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Okay guys, so today we are just going to get some things done. I am making some watermelon juice. My husband really enjoyed it, and then I cut the other half, and we snacked on that. It was gone in like a day and a half. It was so delicious. Anyways, come along and enjoy watching me get things done in my house, and I hope that it motivates you to do the same.
I'm kinda new with apologies, holding back, I got history, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change, like I'm better.
Okay guys, so I made ham this day for dinner, and ham is a big hit in my house. Not even a tiny little piece goes to waste, but it's a really good, my kids really love it. It feels like the holidays when I make this. Okay, I know I look busted, but we're cleaning, okay? Guys, so I just bought, what is it? A microfiber spray mop. And what does it look like? Here we go. Can you guys see? Okay, I put the lighting super bright so I don't look so ugly, but do you see it? Now you can see my dark circles. Okay, so I got this mop because I have my regular mop, which I use, guys, I hate mopping. So, ugh. I don't like to do a lot of things. Mopping and cleaning my bathroom. I can't be bothered, but I have to do it, right? It's my job. So, instead of pulling my mop out weekly, sometimes 2 to 3 times a week, depending on what my kids spill, it's just a lot of work pulling it out, cleaning it, doing and then you're just kind of cleaning up a little spot. So that's why I got this mop, and I'm pretty excited because you can use your own liquid, what is it, cleaner. You can use your own cleaner, so you don't have to go buy, because like the Swiffer one, you have to use their stuff, and I don't want to. So with this one, you add water and then a couple drops of your cleaner, and you're good to go. And you spray, you wipe. So I'm gonna use it now, see how it works. I'll have it linked in the description box if I like it. If not, I'm not gonna make you guys buy it. Anyway, so let's try it and see how I like it. change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will
me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this short and sweet video. I will be posting my undecorate and clean with me, and then I will be posting my decorate with me and a home tour all within this week. So that's why I just got this one out short and sweet, because I got a bunch coming out. So you guys make sure you're subscribed and you have your notification bell on so that you get notified every time that I post. I love you guys. Bye.